Say again. E, application E. All right. This video is about application E. That's on page 259 in your textbook. Now for this one, you're going to write an informational report. And what's critically important is how you write this report. You're going to refer to page 241 in your textbook. And what I'm doing right now is going to show you how this is formatted. The formatting process is laid out on the page for you. Essentially, it says 1.5 to 2 inch top margin. We always use a 2 inch top margin. The reason for that is that's where the header information is going to go. That's the 5 enters down from the top. Now, when you look at the first paragraph in any writing, most of the time it's called the introductory paragraph. It's what you're getting ready to tell me. So in that first paragraph, it's tell me what you're going to tell me, introduce what you're going to tell me. The second paragraph and the third paragraph, tell me what you're going to tell me. And then the final paragraph is retell me what you just told me. The final paragraph, it's a summary paragraph. So the first paragraph, introductory. The second and the third typically are the body of the letter. That's where you're telling me what you introduced to me in the first paragraph. First paragraph, introduce or overview the concept. Paragraph 2 and 3 typically are is the body of the paragraph. That's where you tell me in detail what you introduced me about. For example, in the first paragraph it says marketing more than any other business function deals with customers. What is the topic sentence and what is it about? Marketing. Marketing deals with customers. That's the topic. That's what you're writing about. That's what what is marketing is all about. That's the topic. So the first sentence is always the topic sentence. The second sentence, build customer relationships based on customer values and satisfaction, is at the very heart of modern marketing. That second sentence tells you a little bit more about the first sentence, the topic. The third sentence gives you a little bit more information to help you understand what marketing really is about. So it gives you a definition. The definition of marketing is managing profitable customer relationships. You see how they're doing this? That's how you write a letter. Then the final sentence is I'm losing my train of thought. Crap, my mind's going too fast. Topic sentence. Wait a minute. Topic sentence. The last one is, I just said a little while ago. What did I say a little while ago about that last sentence? What did I say? It's 2 key words. They left me. Main ideas. That's it. All right. Sorry about that. Had a brain moment. The last sentence in your first paragraph is the main idea. What are you going to tell me? Let's read it. The twofold goal of marketing is to attract new customers by promising superior value and to keep and grow current customers by delivering satisfaction. From that point right there, I know what the main ideas are going to be in the body of this letter. There are 2 of them. They're twofold. It tells us the twofold goal of marketing is, number 1, to attract new customers by and number 2, to keep and grow by delivering satisfaction. I know what you're telling me now in your letter before I read your letter. With me? That's how you write to me or anyone, because you tell them what the subject is. Give them a little bit more information about the subject. Give them another bit. For example, in sentence 3, marketing is. You want me to know really what marketing is about, and then your main ideas that you're going to explain or express in this letter is the twofold goal of marketing is to attract new customers by promising superior value and keeping and growing current customers by delivering satisfaction. Now, if you read those next 2 paragraphs, they help you out delivering what is promised. That was the first part of the last sentence, right? It said to attract new customers by promising superior value. They just gave you a heading that says delivering what is promised. That's how you need to give this informational report back to me. I don't need your opinion. I want facts, because that's what this kind of report is about. It's typically about facts. If you go up a little bit on page 241, what kind of report am I writing? What is the purpose of the report? Who will read it? And what are the key points of information in this? But if you go back on the bottom of page 240, it says an informational report tells the reader about the topic, idea, issues, or events, and the information is presented without analysis or recommendation. It's not asking you for your opinion. The purpose of the informational report is to select and emphasize the relevant facts clearly and concisely. It's not asking you about your opinion. It's asking you to put the facts in order so we understand what's happening. So that's critically important when you do this informational report. I don't care what you think. I want the facts. Facts are neutral. They don't have an opinion. Think about it. I'm hesitant to say this, but I'm going to say it. Coca-Cola has a red label on their Coke bottle. That's a fact. Can I change it? I could. But right now, the fact is there's a red label on this Coca-Cola bottle. I don't need to go in detail about all the other things that's on there. I'm just giving you the fact of the Coca-Cola bottle has a red label on it. What else? A dog is different than a cat. Is that not a fact? You can't cross them, can you? Well, probably an idiot will go out there genetically and cross them up some kind of way. But technically, two different things. The fact is, a dog is a dog, a cat is a cat. That's a fact. That's all you need to tell me. I don't need your opinion that the cat meow and the dog bark. I didn't ask you that. I asked you, what is the difference between a dog and a cat? Now you can tell me. Dogs are typically bigger barks. Cat typically have soft little meows. Those are facts. You with me? That's how your report is. Don't put I in this report. I do not want to hear I. You can say your, but no I's. What does I represent? Your opinion. I don't want your opinion. I want facts. I'm teaching you a skill about the office. When they ask you to do this, they don't care about I did this. You need to do that. They didn't ask you that. They asked you for facts. That's what this one's about. We'll spend a little bit more time in class on this one. I'll probably preview some of the ones that you read, because you have to do, when you turn and look at application 6E, you're going to have to look up some information online about selling, online, email marketing, effects of television and advertising. You have to do your own little research here and find some things, and then you're going to summarize it in a report. So no one should have the same report. Everybody's stuff should be different. So this one, you're on your own. I just want to see how you're going to give it to me. All right? I'll post this one and publish this one and put it out there so you understand what I'm looking for. Okay? All right.